Hi, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the Accell Power Cutie. These comes in 3 different colors. They offer USB charging, and AC outlets, surge protection, and a 6-foot really thick power cord. This is great for homes with a lot of people charging so many devices right now. You can have this in the living room, you can have this in the dining room, you can have it in the office, you can put it in your own office, really wherever you want to put it, because it has a 6-foot cable, and look at how thick it is. So they tout the ability to charge this different devices safely. You've got all these different ports here, and we'll put the details on what the USB ports provide in the details. But here's some more information about the Accell Power Cutie, and like I said, it has 3 different colors that you can choose from, and this is the white color. So we like this because you can charge multiple devices, including tablets, at the same time. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.